In this short tutorial, you will learn how to lock the YouTube screen while watching videos on your Android device. Locking the screen can help prevent accidental touches. This is especially useful when you are watching a video and want to enjoy it without interruptions. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Security and Privacy. Tap on it. Then scroll down a bit and tap More Security Settings. And then scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see an option called Pin App. Tap on it. Then toggle on this switch to enable this feature. Once you've done that, exit the settings and open up the YouTube mobile application. To pin the YouTube app, tap on the Recents button at the bottom left. Then tap on the YouTube app icon and select Pin this app. Now the YouTube app is pinned, and it will lock the app in place. You won't be able to leave the app unless you unpin it. To unpin this app, touch and hold the Recents and Back buttons at the same time. If you don't like the first method I showed you, there is another solution that can help you achieve the same goal. Play any video you like, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the video. Now you'll see the lock screen option. Tap on it. This will activate full screen mode while also locking your screen. This means you can watch the video without worrying about accidental taps that would change or stop it. If you want to unlock the screen later, just tap anywhere on the screen and then select Tap to unlock. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.